Did you know that from the moment you were born, your entire system was wired for connection? It's not just a nice thing to have. It's a fundamental need, as essential as air or water. Our nervous systems literally develop in the presence of other people. Think about it. Connection isn't a preference, it's a deep-seated psychological and biological necessity. Let's dive into something called attachment theory. This theory shows us how our very first relationships, usually with our parents or caregivers, create the blueprint for our entire emotional life. These early bonds shape how we handle our feelings, how safe we feel in the world, and even our sense of self-worth. When a child experiences a secure and loving attachment, their brain learns to trust. It's through this consistent, reliable connection that our nervous system learns how to be calm and regulated. It's like building the foundation of a house. If it's strong, the whole structure is more resilient. But what's happening inside our bodies when we connect? When we feel close to someone, our brain releases a powerful neurochemical called oxytocin. You might have heard it called the love hormone or the cuddle chemical, and for good reason. Oxytocin is deeply linked to bonding, but it does so much more. It actively reduces stress and creates a profound sense of emotional safety. It's the warm, fuzzy feeling you get from a good hug, a deep conversation with a friend, or even just feeling understood. This chemical response reinforces the idea that we are safe and we belong. Now, let's look at the flip side. What happens when that connection is missing or gets broken? The brain doesn't just feel sad, it perceives a threat. It's a genuine survival alarm. Loneliness isn't just an emotional ache. It's a full-blown stress response. It triggers the same part of the brain that physical pain does. When we experience long periods of social isolation, our body's stress hormone, cortisol, goes into overdrive. High cortisol levels over time can wreak havoc on our health, impair our ability to manage our emotions, and significantly impact our mental well-being, contributing to issues like anxiety and depression. So, why is this all so important? Because social connection is the soil in which we grow. It's how we build our identity. Sharing our experiences, our hopes, and our fears with others helps us understand who we are. Being truly seen, heard, and validated by someone else is one of the most regulating experiences a person can have. It calms the mind and soothes the soul. This process builds our emotional resilience, giving us the strength to navigate life's inevitable challenges. When we're connected, we're better equipped to bounce back from setbacks. And this brings us to a crucial point about healing. We often hear messages about being strong on our own, about pulling ourselves up by our bootstraps. But the truth is, we don't heal in isolation. We heal in safe relationships. Whether it's with a therapist, a trusted friend, a family member, or a support group, healing happens when we feel safe enough to be vulnerable. It's in the presence of a caring other that we can process trauma, work through our pain, and find our way back to ourselves. Safe connection co-regulates our nervous system, helping it move from a state of fight or flight back to a state of rest and safety. So let's reframe how we think about this. Reaching out for connection isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of being human. It's an acknowledgement of our deepest biological and psychological needs. It's how we're designed to function, to thrive, and to heal. Connection is not a weakness, it is human. Mind Matters Initiative Kenya. Thank you for watching.